There's a bald eagle's nest, as you can see, probably no more than 50 feet above the ground, and we have an adult and a whole bunch of spectators watching. But what's cool is that, like, it's right here, right off the side of the road. It's just the most bizarre thing. Lots of people are stopping, probably all tourists like me. Anyway, it's just awesome. There is a second eaglet, right there. I was right. And we got another pair of bald eagles on Homer Spit. They're all over, trilling away. That is awesome. I'll listen to them. So here we are at Homer Spit Campground, and look at what we get to see. There's eagles flying in the sky right above us. There's glaciers. Let's see, where are they? There. So we got eagles right above us, juveniles, adults. Just having a really good time. And then look at this view. This is what we're looking at from our campsite. And I'm looking at the eagles. Those are juveniles. And this is our view towards Kodiak Island. Apparently the ferry ride is 9 hours long. They had tons of rain here just a couple hours ago when we arrived, and it stopped. Hopefully for the rest of the night. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow. We got rained on today. And this is the memorial that they have set up. And this is our campground. Cheryl's inside, setting up our sleeping bags and thermarest pads. Oh, it's just awesome. I'm sure it would suck in the rain, but it's awesome right now. And food that Deb and Gary gave us that we're eating now. We haven't eaten really today, but it's snacks.